Hello and welcome to Samurai Tarot. This is your reader Julius, and we're gonna do your October 2021 reading. Okay, but before we do so, we have a new setup here. Joining me today are my spirit guardians, aside from our goddess Kuan Yin. My spirit guardians are dragons, and we're gonna call in the energies for now. Okay. As you can see, I have our cards ready, and we're gonna use Kami Sigma's wealth incense as well. So to bring us good fortune while we're doing the reading. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so if you hear a lot of noises, it's the rush hour. It's kind of late in the afternoon. Okay, so all right. Okay, I call to the divine, blessed divine loving Father, blessed divine loving Mother, blessed divine child of creation. I call to the great spirits of ether, fire, water, air, earth, and divine love of creation. I call to the four archangels of the four corners of the universe. I call in Archangel Raphael, Yahuwah. I call to the watchtower of Aldebaran. To my right, Archangel Michael. Elohim, I call to the watchtower of Regulus. Behind me, Archangel Gabriel. El, I call to the watchtower Antares. To my left, Archangel Uriel. Adonai, I call to the watchtower for Malhut. Divine energies of the four corners of the universe, please guide us and protect us in this reading. Okay? And we shall complete the elements. I call to the element of fire, air, water, and earth. To grace this reading with blessings, with the blessings of the divine, please cleanse our sacred space. I call upon Spirit Guardian, Shenlong, Koimira, to assist with the energies of this reading. Call to the goddess Kuan Yin to oversee this reading with wisdom and benevolence. All right. Okay. I call to the divine, our divine loving Father, Yahuwah, our divine Savior, Yahushua Mashiach, Elohim El Eloha, Shin Adonai, Aleph Lamed Ha, Polaris. So, right, so we have cleansed our sacred space. So we shall begin the reading. Just gonna close this up. Okay. And we'll start the reading. Hello Pisces, we're here to do your October 2021 reading. Let's begin. Oh, I haven't started yet. Okay. Okay, this is for your life, career, and love. Okay, so we have Six of Pentacles. Okay. Alright, so either your finances is being balanced or there's going to be equal give and take to your relationship this month. Okay, for the month of October 2021. Alright, let's see what else. Okay, that's your main energy. So, I'm showing here that you're very giving. Okay, so you're going to be giving some financial assistance to someone. Oh, okay. Then you have the Ten of Swords. Okay, that can't be good. Why? Because this person that you're giving to is a burden. Is carrying a lot of burden. It's either they're a burden or okay, you're burdened by them. Okay, it's a heavy burden that you're carrying. Oh, Sun card. So there's going to be an illumination or clarity in October. And, okay, so burdens will be lifted. Okay, from your shoulders. Okay, so happy times, balance will be restored. Burdens will be lifted in October. Okay, so whatever it is that you're carrying, a heavy load, as far as I can see here, you're carrying a heavy load, someone is going to lift those burdens away and you'll be happy. Okay. You're going to be balance or justice will be okay, so it's either you're working too hard. You've been working too hard and you can't carry if this is career, you're working too hard, you can't carry it anymore. If this is a relationship, the relationship is too heavy, and you're about to drop this relationship, whatever relationship that it is, whatever kind of partnership it is. Okay. Okay, so balance. You're needing balance in October. That's the main energy. Okay, let's see for your finances, career. Okay, King of Swords. Okay, so you'll be very, very strict with your finances. Okay, very logical with your finances. You're gonna know where your money's going. I'm also seeing here an authority figure is going to step in with and talk to you about your finances. Okay, it could be the government, it could be your boss, it could be someone who is a decision maker, or that could be you as a decision maker. Okay, because there is Seven of Pentacles. So you're making logical decisions about your finances and reviewing your finances and how you've been spending your money. Okay. Okay, if it's a job, the boss is looking at your work. You're trying to see what accomplishments you've made so far. Because it's already review time. After the mid-year, I know before December, before the last quarter, there's some preparations for performance review. So your work might be reviewed by a boss. And Ace of Pentacles. So some of you, Pisces, will get a. Okay, so the Sun card. This confirms the Sun card. Some of you, the boss will like what they see, and they will give you a raise. Okay, all right. So or this could be a new job. Okay, a new job opportunity for some of you. Okay, so this could be a new job opportunity. Ace of Pentacles, but it's a very big opportunity. Um, this might come in. I feel later part of October. That's what I'm getting. Later part of October. You'll be because it's still in the ethers, but it's a divine gift for working so hard. For some of you, uh, okay, for some of you, an authority figure will step in. Okay, because I'm seeing this is going to be some sort of financial assistance for you in October. Okay, they're gonna help you out. If you're having a hard time uh, financially, the government or someone who is financially well off or an authority figure will give you assistance. Okay. All right. Let's look at love. Oh boy. This is the Eight of Swords, which means feeling trapped. This is a mental prison, Pisces. So it's either this is you or your partner. Let's see why. So many thoughts. Oh, confusion. You're confused about something. This is the Five of Wands. Your mind is confused about something regarding matters of the heart. What's confusing, Spirit? Oh, your person is either a fire sign, okay, or a self-made man. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Wands. All right, so I think the universe is offering you because I'm seeing there's a tower moment. Okay, after. Okay, be careful. Okay, be careful. You might be dealing with a Scorpio, a Leo, Sagittarius, okay, Aquarius, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. That's what I'm seeing here. So those are the signs that you might be dealing with. Huh. Okay. So you're mentally trapped and confused whether or not you're you're gonna approach this person. But I'm seeing you're asking for other people's opinions. I don't think that's good. You feel very passionate about this person, but be careful because I'm seeing that this is just passion. So it might be it's like quick burnout passion. But with the Sun card here and the Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Wands, I'm seeing that if you release yourself from the mental prison, I think you can be happy with this person. Because the mental conflicts are making you confused. And please try not to listen to other people's opinions. Other people can't decide for your love life, okay? For your life. Okay. All right. So far, that's what I'm seeing here. But with the Six of Pentacles as the main energy, I believe that your life will be going to a form of balancing. The divine is going to step in. There's a tower moment. Okay. So the divine will make it happen. They will step in and bring you this happiness. Okay. So expect financial blessing and also a new beginning of a relationship in October. Or if you have an existing relationship, of course, um, it's going to be less burdensome. Okay. But you're gonna have to be logical about it to restore the balance and remove the mental blocks. Okay, the chatter in your head. There's so many chatters in your head, Pisces. You need to refocus. With the King of Swords right in the middle of this read, the King of Swords is very focused, so very highly logical. Let's get some advice. Okay. There's a need to really assess your situation. So if you're viewing this in the month of September, okay, Six of Pentacles, you must you must try to get your mindset into balance and assess the situation logically and release yourself from any sort of confusion caused by other people. Okay. Okay, we got one. Oh, okay, you came out. New moon in Pisces, meditate and contemplate. Okay, so again, that's a sign of restoring balance into your mental state. So the advice is to meditate and contemplate. Think about your moves logically. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, let's get universal advice. Okay. Okay. Here's the universal advice. It says here, I choose to learn through love. Okay, so I choose to learn through love. What does that mean? So it means that whatever confusion that you had or burdens, um, if you choose to go with your feelings, make sure to balance your feelings. And balance can only be done by choosing love. You get what I'm saying? Because if you care about a person, there's no need to talk about there's no need to ask other people. Just straightforward. You love this person. You talk to the person. No more confusion. But if you put other people's opinions right in front of you in order for you to make a decision about love, that would be difficult. Why? Because other people will just dip their fingers and their opinions won't matter because they're not going to be the one in the participating in the relationship. Okay? Makes sense? All right? So get your uh, get your head straight. I think that's the most direct advice for October 2021. Okay? Get your head straight. Don't listen to other people's opinions and just go for what makes you happy. Go for what makes you financially stable. Go for what will bring you that sun energy, that happiness. Okay, so but definitely with the sun card here, balance will be restored. So if your card is coming out, so you might be dealing with a fellow Pisces as well. So balance will be restored, and once the balance is restored, excuse me, okay, you'll be back on track. Okay, all right. So no more burdens for you Pisces. Okay, once the balance is restored. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Okay, please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And I'd like to hear from you in the comment section. Please tell me if this reading resonates and let's discuss. All right. So if you have time, you can also visit Okami Sigma's other social media sites at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay. Also, if you're in the Philippines, if you want to have harmony, which is Pisces, harmony, abundance, and prosperity, we are offering our Okami Sigma incense, wealth incense. So if you want to attract those energies, because money is only a symbol, but the real wealth is through these energies of harmony, abundance, and prosperity. All right. So I'll leave something in the description box for those who want to order. Okay. All right. All right, so I hope to see you in your November 2021 reading. This is your Samurai Tarot reading, Pisces. Thank you for watching.